Hello and good morning. This is your teacher, Mr. Noah, and today we are going to look at integrated science, the second strand in grade 8 of junior secondary. The second strand of integrated science, we're going to look at living things and their environment. And when we talk about the living things, we are going to look at the basic structure of a living thing, and this is the cell. So, the cell is the basic structure of all living organism that controls all the function of living organism. So, organisms such as the smallest organism like amoeba are composed of a single cell, and therefore we call them unicellular. Organisms like me, you, plants, cows, birds, and all those are composed of many cells, and therefore we call them multicellular. And therefore, that is why we say that each organism, no matter how small, both plants and animals are made up of these cells. These cells, their main purpose is to control the functions of an organism. It is not possible to see a cell by our naked eyes. It is not possible to look and see a cell and then say that is a working cell. No, a cell is seen through a microscope. So we use a microscope, as was learned in grade 7, to observe the cell. So a microscope enlarges the image of objects when observed and also improves the resolution of the image. And therefore, we say that a microscope has two purposes or two functions. One is to enlarge or to magnify. And the second purpose of the microscope is resolution, whereby we say that resolution is the ability of the microscope to distinguish between two organelles that are close to each other. We have two types of cells, a plant cell and an animal cell. A plant cell structure and animal cell structure are completely different from each other. We can be able to see both animal cell and plant cell in the microscope. So, a plant cell structure is triangular shaped, while animal cell structure is mainly circular. When you observe, you can be able to see it's circular. Some cell organelles, as shown in the picture below, some are found only on plant cell, where others will be found only on animal cell, as we shall be able to learn that in our next lesson. So thank you for going through with me today. It's your teacher, Noah. Thank you.